All right, today we have a super easy way to get the FlockU firmware onto a WeSpy. This firmware, along with an ESP32 or a WeSpy from Kernel Panic, will allow you to detect flock cameras and some other security devices in your area. Lots of people have reached out and had trouble with this, and luckily somebody out there in the internet has solved a lot of the technical problems for us. So I'm not sure who's made this site, but we'll show you how to use it and bring it to your attention. So we're going to go out to the flock-finder.org. We're going to select, in our case, the official hardware, which is the OUI Spy. We'll connect to that and go ahead and confirm installation with erasing the device. If you don't see it, if you're having trouble connecting, you may need a UART bridge from Silicon Labs. If you have any trouble with that, there's a video showing it. I'll link it down below. It's the normal FlockU flashing video. And that shows the entire toolchain for the more manual process. It will also show you what you have to do to set up the web interface to run on your laptop. So what this is going to do is this is just going to give you the localized detection to the equipment. So you'll be able to get those audio alerts, but it's not going to have it talking to your computer and providing that richer interface. And in the background here, we've gone ahead and launched the serial monitor, and we can see that we're getting messages back from the device, and that means that we're good to go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a quick look at the web interface. So again, this is going to assume that we've sort of already got all the tool chain set up. We're going to go to the GitHub, we're going to download the code, and then we're going to launch the web interface from here. If you want more details on this, go to the longer video again down below. Once we have that, we'll get the link to the web server. We'll click that, and then we'll be able to select our device. One thing here, we'll see, the website still had a lock on that device, so I did have to go back and stop not only the console here, but then ultimately the whole tab in order for the web server to get authorization to use that COM port. So once we fix that, we'll go ahead and connect, and that would be it. So once we're connected, we'd see those detections here. We'd see some of the information about that, and we can go to terminal again, and we'll see that even though we're not getting detections where we're at now, we are communicating with the device and running. If you've made it this far, one quick disclaimer. One of the downsides of deploying it this way is that you've sort of lost chain of custody without compiling it yourself. So make sure that you're comfortable and convinced that this is safe and appropriate for you to deploy to your equipment.